Yes. Thank you very much. Welcome back again to this tutorial, and welcome back again to No Max TV. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can write by speaking, and I'm going to be showing you the best important application you can use by speaking and texting the information you want to type somewhere. So I'm going to show the best speech to text application that you can use so that you can type easier and fast in when you want to type given text message. So when you want to type the text message, you may need to be typing when you are not aware of, or when you are busy, you are not ready to type with your hands, or also you can use text to speech, also speech to text application, so that you can be typing your information. So the application you can use also is this one I'm going to show you, but if first subscribe to this channel, like to this video, also share this video to your friends and turn on notification bell button, so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Max TV. Let's get started now without wasting time. So I'm going to open my Play Store here. You see, I search for Play Store in my phone. When I found Play Store, yes, this is a Play Store. Now when I got to Play Store, I'm going to go to the search bar of my Play Store. Now is where you can get more applications and more important information. So I type here in a search bar and type speech to text application. Speech to text. Speech to text. When I type speech to text you see now I'm going to get various applications, and I'm going to see which one I can use. You see in the Google Play Store, you can see that there are various applications that are meaning the same, and you want to check which one you can use. So if you see there are some applications which are something like ad, which means advertisements, so they are advertising them, and you may need to also choose the one here you want to use, and you want to be the application you will be using in your Android phone as speech to text when you want to send message to someone. So now you see I'm going to come here and I show you this one. You can see this application here, which is called Write by Voice. Write by Voice. When you say write by voice, it means that you are going to be writing by voice also, which means that in the case of writing by using your hands, you are going to speak some information, then automatically the display there in your Android phone, and also you can be sending them as the message. So we hit this application, then we download this. You see it is a short application which is 1.6 MB, which means that is not going to be taking a lot space in your Android phone. You can see that you have 5 million downloads, so which means this application is has been downloaded by many people. Also now I can come here and hit this download option, then I wait it to finish. Once also it is finished downloading to my phone, it is going to get installed to my Android phone. After the installation also, we are going to be showing you how you can use this application to text that information, and so that you can be even sending those information as text message. So you see now is done downloading, and what I need to do is to click on the open button, so as I can start now using this application. So now you can see now it's 100% installing. Then now I'm going to hit this button, which is called open. As you can see in your Android phone, after installing this application, you will see this option which is called open. Once you open it, it's like launching the application which is installed. Also, it's the same as going to the screen of your Android phone and choose where this application is located, or it's the same as clicking here on open button and open it there. So now you see this security app which is securing my Android phone, and I can also now close this and open this application. Once I open this application, you can see, yes, you see now this application is displaying various information which is write by voice. So now this application is showing that write by voice, and I can be able to write by voice. So now in order to write by voice, you see this now, you see this option here. There is microphone here, which means that is where you are going to be talking, and this one is going to be using the microphone of our Android phone and record the information. Also, you can see that here is the title of this application, which is called Write by Voice, which means you are going to be writing by voice, by also produce sounds. When you speak something, it is going to be written there in this table. You see this table also is showing something like lines, also, which means that these lines like a notebooks. Also, as far as you speak, the information also is going to be getting produced, and it's going to be typed there. So now let's try to be speaking by using this voice. So once you want to speak, you have to click here. When you want to start speaking. For example, let me click here and show you how it is going to be recording the information. Stop other microphone which is using this microphone of Android phone and show you how it can work. Yes. So you can see now it has recorded the information which I was having in my Android phone. So as you can see, I can choose which information I was using there. For example, let me say this. Once I click OK, the information are going to be displaying there. You see now? You see now? So this information, let me try again to show you how it works. Like, let me press here again. And yes, you see now it is going to show, it is showing me now, try say something. Yes, I click here and choose if it is the one I wanted, then I click OK. It is going to add it there. So let me try to delete this all and try to show you how it can work. Yes. Now I'm going to be also speaking another new text and show you how it can work. So you see now, as far as you pause, it is now going to pause the information. When you click OK, also you are inserting that, you are adding the information that it has recorded. So this is the best way you can record the information by speaking also. It is going to type as far as information possible. Maybe you want to type the whole page, maybe you want to type various information you are ready for. You can use this speech to text application, which is going to help you texting by speaking. Only when you speak over the language also is going to record all what you are speaking, and it's going to be typing there in the notebook, and it's going to type there in the screen. So now let's show how you can send this as a text message. You can see now here there is a send button. For example, here is a send button. I can hit here on this send button. Now when I hit this send button, it's going to show me the options I can use to send. Maybe I want to send this message to WhatsApp. Maybe I want to send this information to text message. Maybe I want to send this information maybe to any friend of mine on email, also on Facebook. So this send button, when I hit this, is going to give me the option to send this information. Let me click here send. When I click here send, I'm going to get all the applications and choices so that I can send. I can copy this information when I want to send them directly from there, or I can see even, or I can choose to send them here by email, by LinkedIn, by Messenger. So these applications also which can send the email to someone, or as I can choose to send in any way I choose here. This is how you can send a message. When I hit the WhatsApp, it's going to be sent to the WhatsApp. When I hit your Bluetooth, also it is going to be opening the Bluetooth and going to be finding the devices which are available here. So this is how you can be doing this, and this is how you can be using this text to speech or speech to text application, so as to easier and fasten your typing. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share, subscribe to this channel, and turn the notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at NoMax TV. If you have any comment or suggestion, or leave it in a comment section.